Hi guys, in this particular video I'm going to be sharing with you another cool method on how to make money online by only recording a video and give your own opinion. Alright, so it's only require 3 simple steps, which is number 1, visit a website or an app, number 2, complete a set of tasks, and number 3, get paid. Alright guys, first off, before we dive into our content today, if this is your first time in my channel, my name is Zaidi Mustafa. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of techniques, a lot of method on how you can make your first dollar online through internet. And the most important thing in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of newbie friendly method on how to make money online, because I know some of you get overwhelmed through this internet land, because there's a lot of method, there's a lot of technique on how to make money online, and maybe you are not kind of guy that really technical and you don't like technical stuff. You wanted to have a method that pretty straightforward, that not require any technical skills and stuff like that. So if that is your jam, is that what you are looking for, this channel is really perfectly for you. And if don't forget also, if that is you're interested in, I would like to encourage you to click the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification, so that way you're not going to miss every time I upload a new video. And for your information, I'm going to constantly upload on daily basis, so please stick with me into my channel. Then you will get a lot of valuable information and a lot of valuable method and tactic how to make money online. Alright, so let's dive into our content today. The website is called User Testing. So how it's work, you will get $10 via PayPal for every 20 minutes video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts. So it's actually, when you get started, when you sign up with your website, they're going to give a notification through your email, and they're going to provide you a website or an app that require you to evaluate that website, whether that website is working or not, whether the link on the website is whether the button on the website is working properly or not, or whether the link the like, for example, like this top bar here, when you click on that link, is it the link is land to the right page? Alright, so whenever you come across a bug or any dysfunctional links or button, you can record a video to give your opinion about that website or about that apps that they are going to provide you in the email. Right, so it's pretty straightforward. So user testing is actually a website that allow you to give your thought, you give your opinion to their clients, which is the people, the one who are sending their website to evaluate. So you as a contractor here is going to work with user testing, and you are going to evaluate that website or apps, right? So, and also beside that, you are also going to complete a few tasks that they are going to sending you through email, right? So user testing is really big company. I think it's really legit because it had been working with the Huffington Post, the New York Times, such a really big company. And I'm going to show you another. Okay, like here, eBay, Twitter, Microsoft, Facebook. So you don't have to worry, because this company has pretty decent track record, and Also, there's a lot more list of company that they had working with previously: Johnson, eBay, CNN, Sega, Autodesk, Adobe. There's a lot of other company, right? So you can start by request a trial here, and also you can do that by just put your email address here and sign up. So let's go to the frequently asked question. So do I have to pay to be a user tester? No, you don't have to pay any dime to be a user tester, but one important thing that I wanted to remind you is, okay, here is PayPal the only way to get paid? Yes. So if you haven't yet already have a PayPal account, I encourage you to create one, because this website is only going to pay you via PayPal. So you have, by hook or by crook, you have to have a PayPal account. It's pretty straightforward to have a PayPal account. You just go to paypal.com and click sign up and link your debit card or your credit card to that account. Then you are good to go, right guys? So I think that is pretty much it for this video, and you can start. The most important things, of course, your action, right? So hopefully this video provide you some good stuff, some value information that can help you to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home, right? So I really love this kind of method on how to make money online, because you literally can make money whenever, wherever you want, as long as you have an internet connection, you have a laptop or a mobile device. Alright guys, so before I leave, don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to upload based on daily basis, right? So see you on my next video.